Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and as you can see, today's video is going to be another Halloween video on this It inspired makeup look. It's actually pretty easy to do and doesn't require too many things, so let's just get right on into it. I'm starting off by just putting on a bit of this Catrice foundation just to even out my skin a little bit before we go in with the other makeup. And then I'm just going to set my skin with my NYC face powder. This one's a little more white, so it was like the perfect shade. I'm taking this Huda Beauty mini palette, and I'm just using this red shade in my crease. I'm just kind of building it up because I do want a red smoky eye today. And then I'm grabbing my Morphe palette, and I'm taking the red shade in that palette and really like smoking out the crease area and making it super intense. And then I'm taking this burgundy shade from my Soft Glam, and I'm going to be patting this onto my lid and then blending it up into the crease. Then I'm taking this Wet n Wild jelly in this burgundy shade, and I'm placing this on my lid to have a bit of shimmer. And then for the lower lash line, I'm going in with the red shade from the Morphe palette. Again, really smoking it out and connecting it to the top. And then I'm taking the burgundy shade from my Soft Glam and placing this on the outer corner of my lower lash line. I'm just adding some lashes to make the look a lot more intense. I wanted the eyes to be really intense in this look. Now I'm just taking some foundation and I'm going down my neck and my chest with this and then setting it with some powder just so it's easier for me to do the neck design. So I'm starting with a concealer actually, and I'm doing this with a concealer because if I don't like the shape I'm making, I can literally just blend it away and start over. And the reason I put down the foundation and stuff is so that when I add the red and white onto my neck, it won't stain as bad, and it didn't. When I took my makeup off, it actually came right off my neck. I'm taking this white foundation, I'm starting to fill in some of the triangles on my neck. And then I'm going over that with this white paint pot from Wet n Wild just to intensify the color. And this is basically just like coloring within the lines. You just want to make sure you are making them pointy at the end. And then I'm basically just going to be alternating from red to white. So I'm just using a matte red lipstick from Rimmel. And I use this one straight out of the tube. I'm just alternating between the red and white, and then I'm taking this NYC black liquid liner, and I'm just going to outline and make everything a little more precise with this. Now to finish off the face, I'm going to be dipping back into my Morphe palette and taking this red shade on a bigger brush and doing some contouring with this. So I really want to carve out my cheekbones and stuff with this red shade. So basically doing like a bronzing effect just with a red color instead of a regular bronzer, but a little more intense than I would usually do it. And then I'm going to go down like under my jaw as well, just to kind of blend that neck design with the rest of my face. And I'm going to take a bit of the black shade as well just to really intensify that contour and make it super intense. Now I'm just going to line my lips with this Rimmel lip liner in a red shade. And I'm kind of going to overline my lips, and then I'm going to start creating its like smile that goes up to his eyes. So I'm starting right under my eyes and then just connecting it to the corners of my mouth, and then I'm also going to draw the little triangles on top of my eyes as well. Now I'm taking my Ben Nye liquid latex on a small brush, and I'm just going over the lines that I already made, and then I'm taking some tissue and placing it on top of the latex. And then I'm just peeling away like the excess tissue and layering up some more of the liquid latex. So by layering up the latex and the tissue, I'm gonna get like a skin-like effect that's gonna help me do the like scars going up from my mouth to my eyes. And I'm also going to be filling in the triangles on top of my eyes with the same technique. So applying the latex and then going in with the tissue and then ripping off the excess tissue. And then of course going on with more liquid latex. So I'm just layering it up until I get the look I'm going for. I'm just going to wait for this to all dry. You do want it to be all dry before you keep going. And then I'm going to be going in with this red shade from my Morphe palette and just placing it on top. This will kind of create that wounded look around your skin. And then I'm taking this dark burgundy liquid lipstick from Milani, and I'm using this to really create that scarred look. So I'm really concentrating this on the middle portion of the scars to make it look like it's deeper in the center, and same thing on the little triangles on top of my eyes. And you can see if you do the eyeshadow on the outside, it kind of creates more depth to the scars. And then I'm using the same liquid lipstick on my lips. And again, kind of overlining with this liquid lipstick as well. And then I'm going to take a brush and kind of blend out the upper triangles again to create that depth. Now I'm taking a lighter red liquid lipstick and I'm just patting this on top just to create like a more fresh blood effect with a lighter red. And I'm also placing this on the center of my lips just to brighten them up a little bit. And then I'm taking this Rimmel gloss. It's like a deeper burgundy gloss. And I'm adding this on top to create that like fresh blood effect. Just because I didn't have any fake blood on hand. So I'm just using a lip gloss instead. And it works perfectly. Now I'm taking this Wet n Wild black paint pot and I'm outlining my lips with this because I wanted that contour. So that's really it for this look. I love how it turned out, and if you guys want to recreate this look, make sure to tag me on Instagram. I'd love to see your guys' take on it. But hopefully you enjoyed this Halloween tutorial. If you haven't seen my other Halloween tutorials, I'll link them all down below. But anyways, I hope you're having a fantastic day. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.